Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make an Instagram feed in Canva. Just before I get into it, there's a link in the description to this video which will take you to a free trial version of Canva which you can utilize and try this platform for yourself for completely free. So if you want to do so after you've watched the video, just click the link in the description, please. So luckily for us, Canva is a template-based system, which means that it's got a bunch of Instagram feed templates built into it that we can utilize. To access them, if you hit the little search bar in the top, and as you can see, it's the last thing I searched for. If you look for the words Instagram and then feed, you will come across search results such as this. And as you can see, depending on what you need your feed for, do you need like a picture of someone holding it on a phone, or do you just need what looks like a feed, or do you need it embedded on something, or something that's got a tiled kind of setup similar to a feed? That's not an Instagram feed, but it looks very similar to one. Could you, what do you kind of need out of it? So if, for example, you need someone holding it on the phone, then we'll customize that one. And as you can see, it's very, very, very easy to utilize a template such as this and customize it to suit our needs. So for example, if I were to, you need this for whatever example, for whatever reason, and then I can bring in a picture like that and then just dump it into one of those frames, and as you can see, it conforms to the size of the frame already. And it's literally as easy as that. You can just click and drag some images in, and as you can see there, you can even stick one in the background with just a click and drag like that, resize it, expand it, sort of size it up. As you can see, it's covered the hand now, so it uses a layer-based hierarchy. So if anything that you bring into the software, such as that picture of the trees that I just did, covers an element, right click it, and then you can either, bring forward, bring to front, or whatever you need to kind of do with it, really, So it's similar to Photoshop, if you've ever used that, where you can imagine that things are stacked on top of each other. So if, for example, I was to bring it forward, to the front, then the image is now in the front, and if I right click it and send it to the back, then you can see it's now in the back. So if I get rid of it, just hit the backspace on my keyboard, and that's it. So as you can see, if I go back for a second to some of the other templates, there'll be something in here which closely resembles what you need. Utilize that and then develop it and evolve it into something that suits exactly what you need then. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to give this a go now and utilize Canva, click the link down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know as a comment down below. Thank you very much.